Welcome back to my channel. Jangan lupa buat kalian yang pertama lihat video ini langsung klik subscribe, like, dan komen video di bawah ini. Dan jangan lupa nyalain notif loncengnya buat dapetin video terbaru dari aku. Kali ini aku mau kasih tutorial make up yang super simple dan barang lokal. Oke, dengan alat-alat makeup yang lokal, tapi kalian masih tetap bisa buat referensi kondangan, acara resmi, hangout bareng teman pun juga boleh, bisa dipakai. Yaudah, daripada banyak ngomong, mendingan kita langsung aja tontonin videonya. Happy watching!
I ain't wearing that nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pick after picture, I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, cause baby you're the boss at home. You gotta go work, 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 but you gotta put it work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let my body do the work, 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 work. We go out to the work, oh, oh, oh. We go out to the work, oh, oh, oh. We go out to the work, oh, oh, oh. We go out to the work, oh, oh, oh. Put it in motion, I'ma give you a promotion. I'll make it feel like a vacate, turn the bed into an ocean. We don't need nobody, I just need your body. Nothing but sheets in between us, ain't no getting off early. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, cause baby you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go work, 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 but you gotta put it work, 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 work. You don't gotta go to work, 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 work. Let my body do the work, 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 work. We go out to the work, oh, oh, oh. We go out to the work, oh, oh, oh. We go out to the work, oh, oh, oh. We go out to the work, oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah, we go out to the work. I ain't wearing that nada. I'm sitting pretty impatient, but I know you gotta put in them hours. I'ma make it harder. I'm sending pick after picture, I'ma get you fired. I know you're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no explanation, cause baby you're the boss at home. You gotta go work, work,
ini make up buat kalian datang ke wisuda temen, pacar, sahabat, atau bisa juga buat make up pas lagi ada acara seperti tunangan juga bisa loh make up sendiri, cuma dengan merek make up lokal kalian udah bisa dapetin looks make up yang natural tapi tetap kelihatan bagus. Selesai. Jangan lupa komen, like, dan subscribe serta bunyi loncengnya ya buat dapet notif video terbaru dari aku. Terima kasih.